Great product, feels sturdy and durable. I would highly recommend. This is only the second day I had it and here I am writing a review. This power surge ear rest works for my need. I was able to fit 4 smart plugs where others did not and there are more outlets to spare. This surge protector has protected my 4K TV, Xbox One X, and Shield TV many times during power surges. Enough outlets for a TV setup and it does the job. So far so good. Nice to look under my desk now. Lightweight, durable, and able to plug so many things in. Very happy with this product. I don't write Amazon reviews. I never have. I make an exception today because this thing is designed so well. I went from having 2 power strips to this. With plugs to spare even. I happily have my TV, cable/internet, PS4, and Nintendo Switch all plugged in. The outlets are placed in a way that those annoying bulky block plugs can fit on either row without preventing access to the other plugs. This was my problem before and it was frustrating. Now I'm super content. Recommended for the peace of mind it just brought me alone. Click link in description for more reviews.